If you're in search of some exterior mods to make your 2024 or newer Fastback Mustang stand out, this EOS Performance Package roof spoiler in glossy black is a mod you should consider. Now, this spoiler is made for the S650 Mustang owners who are looking to add some aggressive black accents to their car, whether it's to make their color code pop with a sharp contrast of this glossy black here, or seek a more aero style appearance. Nonetheless, it's a non-permanent solution to get the benefits of both of those features, in addition to being an affordable mod if you're looking to save some cash when it comes to exterior parts. Now, this features a vortex generator design, introducing some aerodynamic style to this spoiler and giving it a very sporty appearance. Now, with that, the fins here and the molded design take the look of the standard roof spoiler and elevate it for a more aggressive appearance, fitting seamlessly on the back of the roof line. Now, it also features this glossy black coating, which matches very well with other gloss black trim or accessories that you've already added to your Mustang, and with the design, it fits very well into that aero package look. Now, this is made of an ABS plastic material, which is very commonly used for aftermarket exterior accessories because of its impact resistance and weather resistance, so you can trust that this, while being lightweight, is also going to hold its own when mounted up to your Mustang. Now, the gloss black coating will also protect the ABS from the elements further, especially from UV rays, and give it this clean appearance that it has. Now, with being molded, it also has a cutout right in the center for the antenna and comes with all of the necessary mounting hardware, in addition to some adhesion promoter and alcohol wipes to make sure that this is going to be installed in the easiest way possible and secured down so you're not going to have to worry about it, even at high speeds. Now, this is pretty affordable when it comes to exterior mods, especially when it comes to aero mods, coming in at roughly $200. Now, comparing this to others in the category, this has a lot more going on with the design compared to average flat roof spoilers, thanks to the integrated wings or those vortex generators that I mentioned. Now, it's also a pretty large option compared to some of the other smaller choices if you do want a bold look that doesn't require modification and keeps a budget-friendly price point, making it an overall great pick. Now, install here is super easy at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and the hardest part about this install is just making sure that your roof is squeaky clean for this to adhere properly, taking you about an hour or so in total, front to back. So at this point, I'm going to hand it over to one of our installers. They're going to show you a detailed breakdown on how you can get this installed on your Mustang at home. So that wraps it up for me. Let's go ahead and get to the install.
For this install, you will need the provided double-sided tape, a razor knife, the provided adhesion promoter, and also not shown here is a microfiber rag and a solvent-free cleaner. What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing a roof spoiler on our Mustang, so let's get started. Alrighty, guys, so we've got our spoiler up on the table. We've got some packaging laid down as to not scratch our spoiler in the process while we're prepping it. Doing this at home, you want to use your adhesion promoter and apply that to wherever you're applying your provided double-sided tape. Since ours isn't going to be permanent for demonstration purposes, we're not going to use this, but you should definitely use it at home. So what we're going to do is take our roll of tape. We're going to start. Just pick a corner, whichever corner suits you. I'm just going to run this along the edge of our spoiler. Once we get to one of our corners, we're going to take a razor knife, very gently cut this apart. And once you have your first side laid out, you want to do the same thing for the other 3 sides. Now we're over to our vehicle. You want to make sure to pull the backing off of your double-sided tape. I'm going to lay this across. Now, one thing you want to make sure of is that your area is clean, and if you are going to clean it, use a solvent-free cleaner. Make sure that drops squarely over your antenna. Now, before you push down and press it into place, you want to make sure all of your corners are where you want them. And we're just going to push the corners in at first. Then you want to push down hard on where your adhesive tape is, and you're good to go. Alrighty folks, that about wraps up our review and install of our EOS Performance Package roof spoiler and glossy black finish for your 24 to current Mustang Fastback. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.